In this video, I'm going to share with you some products that I've been loving. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out on Valentine's Day, or after Valentine's Day, any day really. If you're new to my channel, I am a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty and making it really quick and easy. So if you enjoy this video, then definitely consider hitting that subscribe button to stay up to date on my latest videos, and hit that bell notification to make sure you get notified each time I upload. Alright guys, if you're interested in seeing what products I love, then definitely keep watching. So the first product that I'm obsessed with is this Bite Agave Lip Mask. This is bomb.com, y'all. It feels like a little bit of a thicker lip balm. You want to put it on before you go to bed, although I've definitely worn it during the day as well. When I first tried it, I was pretty sold just by the way that my lips felt the next morning. If I'm working with a client that has to have like a bolder lip color and we're constantly touching it up all day, by the end of the day their lips are pretty dry and chapped, I'll send them home with a little bit of this either in a bag or just apply it right then, and that way the next morning when I see them and they sit in my chair, their lips will be prepped and ready for the day. Another thing that I added in the lip theme of things are these Buxom lipsticks. These are awesome. They're the full-on lipsticks, but they're in a pencil form. First of all, I think lipstick in a pencil form is so easy. The pigmentation is amazing and they last for a really long time. They kind of have like a pepperminty feel to it. It's like a light plumping, but it doesn't like hurt or sting. I got 5 different colors. I use them all the time on set and they're just gorgeous and they feel good too. So the next thing that I added, this is from Viseart. Ooh. And it's the Grande palette. This is such a cool palette. I'll like open it and show y'all. The colors are insanely pigmented. It's such a good range of mattes. I have been drooling over this palette and every time I use it, I fall a little bit more in love with it. It's absolutely an amazing investment. So the next product that I added to my kit, this is from Terri Tomlinson. It is the Flesh Tone Color Wheel and I posted about it on Instagram. If you aren't following me on Instagram, definitely check it out. It's at Makeup by Shannon Marie. And I'm gonna make a separate video all about it. But for instance, with the eyeshadow palette here, you looked at the eyeshadow palette, let me open it again so you can see, and you're like, wow, that's so many different browns and neutrals and whatever. Like, how would you ever decide, you know, what to use? Well, let me tell you. You can also use the Flesh Tone Color Wheel, not just for foundation, concealing, contouring. You can actually also use it for eyeshadow colors. So for instance, I have blue eyes. Anything on the opposite side of the color wheel is gonna intensify it more. So if I actually go here and then I look at these colors, these shades of brown are gonna be more flattering for my eye color. It's fascinating. And you can use this so many different ways. It's laminated so you can actually put colors directly on the wheel, and I am obsessed with it. So the next thing that I added to my kit was a brush. These are new brushes from Buxom. I bought one and then I went back a week later and bought another one. Actually, I bought like 3 or 4 of the exact same brush because I love it so much. I'm really stoked by how they designed the handle of it. It's really ergonomically correct. It's kind of like a triangle, so it makes it really easy and just natural to hold. But what I love most about it is how soft these dang bristles are. This blends like a dream. I love this guy for just laying down quick color, throwing in a crease shade. You can really do it all with it. And the last thing, so when I went to IMATS, which I posted a little vlog video, so if you haven't seen that, I will link it in the description box below. Definitely check that out. I splurged a teensy bit and bought some Hakuhodo brushes. Like, hands down, some of the best brushes in the makeup industry. They are beautiful, durable, Japanese brushes, game changer. If you can get your hands on any of these brushes, feel like I'm talking more delicately about them because they're so beautiful. If you can get your hands on any of these brushes, you just gotta feel it. They are amazing. I've been using them in my kit. I could not recommend them more. Previously, and I mean I still have it in my kit, I used the Royal & Langnickel Silk Pro brushes, which I love this brush as well, but when you feel the difference, night and day. I hope you enjoyed learning about products that I love. As you can see, I am very passionate about my products. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below if there's a product that you have and love that you think I need to try. Hope you're having an amazing week and a happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.